You are growing spiritually, and what you want for yourself is love, balance and peace. Your person feels like being around your gentle nature. They learn to express their love with words, communication, and being protective. You are not responding to them in a way you used to, because of which they are feeling more drawn to you. No matter how hard they tried to block this connection, but their feelings for you return on a more deeper level. Your person is being guided to do the shadow work, and there is no turning back. It's very attractive for them to see you embody strength card. There is no one like you. Your person don't feel that spark with any other. No more running or holding back because it feels more painful to them. You are the most beautiful woman in the room. Reminder of you is everywhere. Tables have turned and they are going through deep lessons of awakening.